Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make cherry lime muffins. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Then in a small bowl, add in the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt, and whisk them together until they're combined, and set it aside for now. Then in a larger bowl, add in the canola or vegetable oil, egg, milk, lime zest, and lime juice, and whisk them together until they're combined. Then for the cherries, wash them and then place them onto a cutting board. Then you want to pit them. I find the easiest way to just break it in half and then pull out the seed. And then just do that for the rest of them. And then chop them up. And add them into the wet ingredients. And also add in the dry ingredients. And mix them together until they're just combined. It's important to not overmix the batter. It's fine if it's still lumpy. Then grease a muffin pan with nonstick cooking spray, or you can line it with paper liners. And scoop the batter into the pan. And bake them in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. And once they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool in the pan for about 5 to 10 minutes. And transfer them to a cooling rack and let them cool completely. And that's how to make cherry lime muffins. Check out more of my videos here and subscribe to my channel here so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.